Hola, amigos. It's Mrs. Hausladen, and I get to hang out with you with math this week, and I am so excited because we are talking about one of my favorite things, numbers and addition. Last week, Miss Allen talked to you about adding numbers together, always using that 5 group. Do you remember Miss Allen talked about it? We do our 5 group, and then we added on some ones. And so today, what number are we focusing on right here? Who can tell me what it is? 6. Very good. Let's count up to 6 on our fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to talk about the number 6. Oh, who remembers what this is? I just said it. Miss Allen talked to us about it. Say 5 group. She talked about adding a 5 group and some ones. So if we get to 6 using a 5 group, I would say 5, 6. You are going to be writing the number 6 today, showing the number 6, and adding together to get to the number 6. So we are going to start talking first about how we write our 6s. When you write your numbers and when you write your letters, you always start at the top. We never, ever start from the bottom. So on your page today, like you've done before with other numbers, you're always going to put your pencil on that blue dot, start at the top, and go down. When I write my 6s, I say down and around, down and around. Who can tell me what shape is at the bottom of a 6? A circle. It is a circle. So when you make your 6s, you start at the top, you go down, and you make a circle at the bottom. Make sure when you're writing your numbers, you start at the top black line and you go all the way down to the bottom black line. I don't want to see any floating 6s today. Sometimes friends make really tiny 6s. Are those 6s touching the top black line to the bottom black line? No. When you do your 6s, top to bottom, top to bottom. All right, so you're going to be working on writing your 6s all the way from the top, all the way to the bottom today. Before we get started on writing 6s, though, we're going to add some numbers together to equal 6. And we're going to be practicing our addition when we have 2 different groups. We put them together to find out how many we have all together. I'm going to start by reading you some special sentences, and then we're going to show the addition problem with some characters today. So, if you can read the sentence with me at the top, please read along. Otherwise, turn on those listening ears and get ready. My sentence says, I can see 2 girls and 4 boys. At the bottom it says, I can see kids. So we need to take the number of girls plus the number of boys to find out how many kids we have all together. All right, if you're ready, how many girls? Shout it out. 2. Perfect. So I'm going to take my 2 girls and I'm going to pull them over. Friends, it takes a little while for the girls to pull up, so we're going to just be patient in our heart. So it says 2, so I'm going to work on pulling over 2 of the girls. Then it tells us how many boys? 4. Very good. So I'm going to click on my boys and I'm going to pull them over. Say 1, 2, keep counting. 3. How many more? 1 more. Good job. 4. All right. Now, friends, as that last boy pops up, at the bottom it says, I can see blank kids. So we're going to count together and see how many kids we have all together. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, because 2 plus 4 equals 6. So it says, I can see, I'm going to write the number 6. I can see 6 kids. Very good. All right, we're going to try another one. Are you ready? I'm going to look for, let's see, I'm going to try to do a tricky one. See if you can figure out how many I'm adding together to get to 6. Let's see. Oh, here it is. I like this one. All right, are you ready? If you can read the sentence, please read it along with me. Here we go. I can see 3 girls and 3 boys. I can see kids. All right, friends. How many girls? 3. Very good. All right, let's count and read them. Here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3. All right, friends. Then we're going to see how many boys. Who remembers how many? 3. Very good. All right, let's count them as we pull them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count and see how many boys we have all together. How many kids we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. All right, I'm going to write it. I can see how many? 6 kids. Very good. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good. All right, we're going to do one more. Are you ready? All right. Oh, who can see the numbers already at the top? I hear some friends saying it. All right. Oh, this number looks a little different than the number that we write in kindergarten, and that's okay because everybody writes things a little different. Are you ready to read the sentence with me at the top? Here we go. I can see 1 girl and 5 boys. I can see kids. All right, are you ready? Here we go. How many girls? 1. And how many boys? 5. Five's my favorite number. Let's count the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more boy. 5. All right, let's count and see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 1 girl plus 5 boys equals 6 kids. Good job, friends. Oh, I love adding boys and girls together. All right. Ooh, our math workbook page today. What did I say you were going to be doing? Writing some 6s. All right, so first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. Don't you write Mrs. Hausladen. All right. Once you write your name, what did I say we're going to do? Write our 6s, and we're going to start at the top, down, and around. Are you going to do all the 6s? Yes, you are. Trace these 6s first, and then start your pencil on every blue dot you see all the way through. Down here, friends, it says draw 6 objects. And guess what? I heard it's supposed to snow this week, so guess what? I want you to draw 6 snowflakes. I want you to try your best because snowflakes are really tricky, and I'm going to show you how I draw my snowflakes. Kind of draw them like an X with a bunch of lines. So you're going to draw how many of them? 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Ooh, this next one says draw 6 balls. Ooh, you can draw any kind of balls you want. I'm going to draw little bouncy balls because those are my favorite kind of balls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, friends, when you're done drawing your 6 snowflakes and your 6 balls, and writing your 6s, you're going to flip your page over. On the back, it says ring 6 hats. Ooh, these are some of my favorite kinds of hats, so I'm going to pick 6. And when it says to ring 6 hats, remember that means to draw a circle. So I think I'm going to pick, I love firefighter hats. That's 1, police hat 2, baseball hat 3, winter hat 4, cowboy hat 5, a visor 6, and a sunflower hat. Am I going to keep going? No. Let me double check my work. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I circle the sunflower hat? Nope. Because how many are you circling? Just 6. Don't circle more than 6. All right. Oh, you have to write your number 6s again. Friends, this is where you've really practiced on the front. So I want you to do your best writing on the back. take your time and do the nicest sixes you can do. Once you've written all your sixes on this line and you think, oh, I did my best, I want you to pick up a crayon and I want you to circle the six that you think is the best, the one that you took your time with and you did the nicest work. I'm going to look at my sixes and I'm going to say, oh, this one for sure. I did my best. I took my time. All right, when you're done writing your sixes at the bottom, it says, ring the number of marbles. So I'm not going to do this one for you, friends. You're going to count all these marbles. Ooh, try using that 5 group first and counting on. 5. Count on. Once you find out how many marbles there are, circle the number. And then, boys and girls, you are all done for today. Give yourself a thumbs up and say, I did awesome. Good job, friends. I'll see you tomorrow for more math. Miss you.